welcome back to COTT Electronics. Today's episode will be a short one because we'll be covering the remote control and language. Like most pages on this portal, the remote section helps you navigate and control how the remote of the actual device responds to you. You can set shortcuts in the form of codes and have them perform specific actions. Once you have created a code and assigned an action to it, you can see it at the top here. If you no longer wish to use this shortcut or code, you can disable it by clicking the Disable button. Now, creating a language itself is pretty simple, but it takes a bit of work. Once it's completed, however, you'll have to manually translate the English phrases into each language that you've selected. In order to do this, click the Translate button on the right and then follow the sentences paralleling each other. Once you have translated the entire thing, save it and then voila! The new language is ready to use. Thank you for watching everyone, and for more from COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.